Hello, today we will talk about the famous works of Isaac Newton, but don't forget to like and subscribe, so let's get started. Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, the mathematical principles of natural philosophy, also known as Principia. What it is. This is Newton's most famous work, published in 1687. It establishes the fundamental laws of motion and gravitation and is considered one of the most important works in the history of science. What it says. In the Principia, Newton stated the three laws of motion, known as Newton's laws. These laws explain how objects move under the influence of forces and are fundamental to physics. He also formulated the law of universal gravitation, which explains how all objects with mass attract each other. Impact. This work revolutionized physics and laid the foundation for classical mechanics. It provided a mathematical explanation for the motion of the planets around the Sun and paved the way for the further development of physics. Optics. What it is. Optics is a work written by Newton and published in 1704. It focuses on the study of light and optics. What it says. In this paper, Newton proposed the theory of light particles, photons. Demonstrated that white light can be decomposed into colored spectrum through the optical prism and explained optical phenomena such as color dispersion and reflection. He introduced concepts such as refraction and reflection of light in the context of waves and particles. Impact. Optics contributed to the development of optics and was a significant work in the study of light. This influenced the further development of physics and optical technologies. Mathematical principles of natural philosophy. Mathematical principles of natural philosophy. Known as Principia. What it is. This work of Newton represented a revolution in mathematics and in the development of mathematical analysis. What it says. In this work, Newton developed fundamental mathematical concepts such as differential and integral calculus. He introduced the idea of the limit and laid the foundations for the calculus of variations. These concepts had a huge impact on mathematics and became the foundations of the infinitesimal calculus, which is essential in science and engineering. Impact. This work had a profound impact on mathematics and paved the way for the development of modern mathematical analysis. The differential and integral calculus that were developed here are still cornerstones of mathematics and have many applications in science and engineering. These works of Isaac Newton completely changed the way we understand the world and were fundamental to the development of physics and mathematics modern. They continue to be studied and appreciated for their significant contributions to the scientific field.